I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the flashlight and camera buttons on your iPhone or iPad lock screen. With the latest updates in iOS and iPadOS, Apple is letting you replace the flashlight and camera buttons at the bottom of your iPhone or iPad lock screen. Taking advantage of this lets you access your favorite features even faster. You can replace those buttons with a favorite shortcut, a toggle for dark mode, a quick way to open Instagram, your hotspot, or a number of other options. The only catch is that this requires that you're using an iPhone running at least iOS 18 or an iPad running at least iPadOS 18. So if you're ready to customize your lock screen and enhance your iPhone or iPad experience, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad home screen and then tap Wallpaper in this menu. The Wallpaper menu opens. Step 2. Find your current wallpaper display and then tap Customize. A customizable version of your current wallpaper lock screen will be displayed. Step 3. Find the camera and flashlight icons at the bottom of the screen. Tap the minus sign next to the icon you want to remove. In this example, I'll tap the minus sign next to the flashlight icon. The flashlight icon will be removed. Step 4. Now, tap the plus sign where the icon you removed used to be. A window opens with icons you can put in that slot. Step 5. Tap the icon you want to put in that slot on your iPhone or iPad lock screen. In this example, I'll tap the calculator icon. That window will close and you'll return to the wallpaper customization screen where you'll see your new icon added. Tap Done to save your changes. Going forward, whenever you access your device's lock screen, you'll see your newly added icon in place of the camera or flashlight button that you removed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.